so?
What
does he have?
We don't know. Morgan was saying he has to meet with like infectious disease because they can't figure. Morgan was like, in true Peter fashion, he got out of his bed and did a consult on the guy since he was in the same room as him.
Crazy story.
And it's about the patient that is in the next bed.
A little bit of noise there.
Yeah, and it's always Saturday that's booked. I'm like, so you guys are just gonna show up Saturday morning and then leave Sunday morning?
Yeah.
That's lame.
So we went camping. It's so fun. And so then it got us on the camping kick. So I found a site up at Perigin Lake in Winthrop for a Saturday to a Monday. And then our friends are going to be camping at this one place, and they said we could come put our tent on theirs because they have a camper. So we might do.
Just come into the fair in September. That's what I wanted to go see.
Yeah, my friend wanted me to go to that one. But is that one during?
The Everett thing you're talking about, there was a Jody Messina came last year to Everett.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, so this year it's Pam Taylor.
So there's some fairy walk festival thing that's happening in Everett on Saturday. That I'm gonna go with Riley.
Saturday, you know Marcy's Playground in Everclear? Marcy's Playground sings that song called Sex and Candy.
Okay.
They're going to be at the Everett Waterfront on Saturday. There's 3 bands that day too. I don't know General Nation. And it's supposed to be good weather, so I'm excited about that.
Let's go fly. I would have been in there to pitch it.
What came out? I'll write where your second was. And Bunny.
Did you bring your Audi today?
Yeah.
You got it wrapped and did you get a stereo in it too?
Oh yeah.
It wastes no time.
10-inch sub in the back.
Cause you got like a charcoal blue, right?
Been gone for a week. Is there any new happenings with Brady?
So far more stable, so.
That's good news.
He still gets his shunt settings adjusted weekly.
Yeah.